Welcome to Has Academy channel. Today is going to be our 25th day. That is, we have reached our silver jubilee of our Daily Spark segment, and today I'm going to be sharing with you most important learning of mine, which is consistency. Consistency has increased my confidence, and consistency has also helped people value me and people become more confident on my skills and whatever I deliver, and people also trust me more. So if you want all these things in your life, start taking up one activity that is going to help you become most better and most contributing, and start following it up consistently. Please share in the comment box below as to what activity you want to take up in order to ensure that you are consistently operating in your daily activities and winning the trust of all the people around you. Wishing you happiness and success today. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today, and please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below, and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling, and we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.